Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, one of the most premium Android tablets in the market. This is priced at 79,999 for the 6 plus 128 GB variant, and it comes with quite a heavy set of specifications. The model number is SMT975. This is the Mystic Black. There are two other options as well, and the MRP here is given as 84,999, but the actual price right now is 80,000. This is how thin the tablet is. It comes with a 5.7 mm thickness, even though there's a 10,090 mAh battery packed in it. And in the box, what you get is firstly the tablet itself that is wrapped under that cover. And the best part is this: on the front, what you see is a 12.4-inch Quad HD Plus display, the Super AMOLED display with 2800 into 1752 pixels of screen resolution, and there's a 120 Hz refresh rate, which again would intelligently change based on the usage to help save the battery. And internally, the tablet is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus, and this is the S Pen. This is what the tool is for many users, one of the best tools for professionals, for graphic designers. This comes handy in many ways. Now, apart from the S Pen, what you see inside the box package are a few other accessories. But before that, this is how the pen can be placed on the back. And even when you have the book cover that comes separately, that you have to buy separately, you can place the pencil or the S Pen at that place, and the magnetic latching is quite good there. So it very well sits there and is positioned because of the magnet. Now inside the box you also have this 15-watt travel adapter. Even though the Galaxy Tab 7 Plus S7 Plus comes with a 45-watt charging, there is only a 15-watt charger inside the box. You have the Type C cable apart from that, and this comes in the box with all of the accessories coming in the same color, that's black. And this is the booklet box where you have some of the certification information, then the SIM ejector pin, and also the booklets which include the quick start guide as well as the warranty booklet. So these are the accessories. You also have the set of earphones, and then this is the slim tablet, actually slim, and you have quad speakers. There are four speakers powered by the AKG sound, and also the Dolby Atmos. There's a USB Type C port towards the side, and these are the pins for the book cover or the keyboard cover of the Galaxy S7 Plus tab to sit. And on the other side as well, there are those two speakers and also the secondary microphone. So in a way, I would say based on the build quality, I did like it. It is a metallic body, a pretty strong body there, and it isn't that thick for having a 10,090 mAh battery. And this is the best part: I'm showing you the list of wallpapers that are there with some of the changes in the colors, but in the end, whatever the wallpaper you choose, this one has a brilliant output of colors. I haven't even felt the iPad to have such a great display, so it easily has one of the best displays out there, and this would be a great one for gaming basically. So if you go into the settings, it's still Android, but I would do a separate video of the book cover where I can show you how this tablet becomes a complete kind of a different experience when you have the book cover attached to it. It looks like a Windows tablet with a proper keyboard and the trackpad there. And this one runs One UI version 2.5 based on Android 10. There might be updates coming into this in the future, but right now it's Android 10 based One UI. There are a lot of applications including the game launcher, the Google apps, and the Clip Studio Paint. This is the 6-month free subscription that you're getting. Along with that, you have the Canva Plus with one month subscription. And to show you the prowess of the chipset, it is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus, the best chipset right now. 5,50,000 is the Antutu benchmark score, and you can see the GPU here is quite powerful, and that's what we are going to test out in a separate video when we do the gaming reviews in this channel as well as in our Hindi Gaming Josh channel, where you would be seeing how good the tablet is for gaming. And this accessory, if you keep the gaming part aside, what else is great is this: the S Pen is capable of a lot of things. So I did try it for some time. This is just my quick thoughts about it, a quick impressions video. So you can see even the app's name can be directly edited using the S Pen from here. And of course, I mean, with the S Pen you can do quite a lot of things. That is a known thing for the Galaxy Note users who have used the S Pen in the past, but this one is a proper pen with that thick body to properly hold it and use it. So these are the features of the S Pen that you can use and take advantage of. One of them is this: Just take a quick capture of any part of the screen and you can even extract the text from there. So if you're actually reading something or you are checking out a picture that has a lot of text, you can extract the text from that entire picture, and that also without any mistake. So if it's an English text, that would be easily extracted from the picture there. So this is the camera. With the cameras, again, you have a 13 MP plus 5 MP rear camera combination with the 13 MP regular camera, f2.0 aperture, 5 MP wide camera, and on the front you have an 8 megapixel selfie camera, the preview of which you just saw there. So for a tablet device, a 5 megapixel resolution won't look like a great preview, but we'll also try to do some capturing and see if the end captures are any good or not. So right now we are switching between the regular and the wide angle camera here, and it does have a wide view which seems quite good, but again, camera judgment is not that easy here. We would anyway take a few captures and then see how it works. So the full review should be coming out later, but for now this was just the quick impressions and a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.